According to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one addition. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. Okay, so first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 1 plus 1, which gives us 2. So 14 divided by 7, then times 2. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division. 14 divided by 7 is just 2. So 2 times 2, which equals 4. And this is our final answer to this problem.